this is an introduction to the relationship tracker for producers. So looking at the Excel spreadsheet here, there are a number of tabs across the bottom. You've got your master sheet at the front, and then one page per each artist. On this one at the moment it goes up to 7 artists, but you can add more if you need them. There is a status page, and then your sheet template is if you need to add any more artists, you've got a clean one here to copy and paste. So going back to the master sheet, you can see here from some examples that have been put in just as some test data so that we can follow the format. Obviously delete these once you start to put in your real programmer information. But you would add in name, pronouns, organisation, location, role, email address. You enter these bits manually, and then this first column, column A, is auto-populated, as is H through to N. They are all auto-populated, so you don't need to fill those in. So let's do a test. So the name is test. I'm just going to write test across so that we can see it when we put it up. Obviously you would be putting in real information so that it's actually helpful. So now we have this test programmer set up. Let's try and attach them to some of our artists. So let's imagine that artist 1 has a relationship with test programmer. We go to the artist 1 tab, select test from the drop down, which is drawing in information from the master sheet. We'd then fill out what our previous relationship has been with them. They've commissioned artist 1. Then we'd fill out the rest of the columns just to keep a track of the relationship so far. If you then go back to the master sheet, you'll see here that artist 1 has been auto-populated with a cross so that at a glance you can see that they're associated. Then we come to artist 5 as well, say that test has a relationship with them. You can see that artist 5 has been populated there as well. So really the master sheet is where you add everybody in, and then you go to each of the artist sheets to attach programmers to that artist and describe that relationship. And then you can glance back at the master sheet to see those relationships just in an instant with these auto-populated crosses at the side. I think that's probably helpful for if you are approaching a programmer about multiple artists, or you know that one artist has an existing relationship, and you might want to capitalise on that to be able to introduce new artists to them. Hopefully that is something that will be helpful for you in managing your relationships with programmers.